ꯄꯨꯅꯕ ꯍꯤꯟꯖꯥꯡ ꯅꯥꯄꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯕꯨ ꯆꯟꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯇꯣꯛꯂꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯋꯥꯋꯣ ꯍꯪꯒꯥꯝꯋꯣ ꯏꯀꯥꯏꯊꯕꯤꯋꯣ ꯅꯥꯀꯨꯞꯄꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯁ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯈꯪ ꯅꯝꯍꯧꯒꯦꯗ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯀꯤꯝꯃꯦꯔꯤꯅ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯊꯣꯡꯉꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯊꯣꯡꯕꯤꯔꯤꯁꯤꯕꯣ
ꯅꯦꯄꯦ ꯆꯠꯂꯣ ꯅꯪ
ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦ ꯊꯣꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ
ꯀꯥꯡꯁꯣꯏꯅꯤ
ꯁꯣꯏ ꯊꯣꯡꯒꯗꯧꯔꯦ
ꯑꯟꯗꯣꯁꯦ ꯆꯦꯡ ꯆꯥꯡ
ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯉꯥꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯅꯤꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ PR ꯄꯦꯀꯦꯠ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯟꯕꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯕꯣꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯎꯠꯂꯛꯀꯦ ꯃꯣꯟꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯃꯣꯟ ꯄꯤꯂꯣ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯎꯗꯀꯤ ꯁꯦꯞꯇ ꯃꯅꯤꯡꯗ I feel like on cloud 9 ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯄꯤꯂꯣ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯐꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯂꯨꯝꯃꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯣꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯡꯇꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯀꯩ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯌꯥꯎꯏꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯎꯠꯂꯛꯀꯦ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛ ꯀꯌꯥꯅꯣ ꯑꯅꯤꯅꯦ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯇꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯦꯀꯦꯖꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯕꯣꯛꯁꯇ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯩ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤꯔꯛꯑꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯣꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯐꯃꯨꯡꯗ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯒꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯟꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯣꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯩꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯣꯟꯁ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤ ꯐꯣꯃꯤꯡ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯁ ꯐꯦꯁ ꯋꯥꯁ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯗ ꯒꯨꯗꯅꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯅꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤꯅꯥꯃꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯣꯟꯁ ꯄꯤꯌꯣꯔ ꯗꯤꯇꯣꯛꯁ ꯐꯣꯃꯤꯡ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯁ ꯐꯦꯁ ꯋꯥꯁ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯗ ꯒꯨꯗꯅꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯦꯇꯦꯠ ꯆꯥꯔꯀꯣꯜ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯚꯤꯇꯥꯃꯤꯟ B3ꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯦꯇꯦꯠ ꯆꯥꯔꯀꯣꯜ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤ ꯐꯣꯃꯤꯡ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯁ ꯐꯦꯁ ꯋꯥꯁꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯣꯝꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯀ꯭रीꯃꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯀꯦꯇꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯟꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯗꯤꯞ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯦꯟꯖꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯍꯜꯂꯦ ꯚꯤꯇꯥꯃꯤन B3ꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯆꯔꯥꯏꯖꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯟꯁꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯃꯨꯠ ꯑꯥꯎꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯈꯨꯏꯊꯔꯛꯀꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯉꯥꯛꯊꯣꯛꯍꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯃꯦꯅꯤ ꯃꯣꯔ ꯒꯨꯗꯅꯦꯁ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯅ ꯄꯤꯌꯣꯔ ꯗꯤꯇꯣꯛꯁ ꯐꯣꯃꯤꯡ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯁ ꯐꯦꯁ ꯋꯥꯁꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯀꯦꯇꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ SMS ꯗ ꯑꯗꯔ ꯋꯥꯟꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯝꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀ꯭रीꯃꯤ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯖꯦꯟꯇꯜ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯐꯣꯂꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯄꯤꯌꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯦꯇꯦꯠ ꯆꯥꯔꯀꯣꯜꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯟꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯌꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯏꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁ ꯀꯩꯀꯩꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯅꯦ and now my skin feels so clean and so fresh Sigi Bright Beauty Foaming Face Wash ki price ina 399 ne aduga sigi Pond's Pure Detox Foaming Face Wash ki price ina 449 oi and these are free from soap parabens and any artificial colors मैंने product अरी से पाबी बता रहा कि आई लाइन बगी लिंक तो आई description box आप चाहे बरे तुम चंगा का तुम order तो वही आ रहा नहीं मेरी ना चिंदी में वो सीधे वो Mama is back. I'm back. Snow 1-3 pack ni. Oi, among nan ni. Wah. Kaya mana tiga li siya. Kiki, Snowy, move. Kiki. Ya, mo dali ko mahal siya. What yam se thang ga lak pai ha ki wan thar kari thi gi bano ꯆꯥꯛꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯕꯤꯔꯝꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯆꯥꯖꯔꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯅꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯅꯣꯋꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯅꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯁ ꯍꯥꯞꯀꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯞꯀꯅꯣ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯪꯒꯥꯝ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕꯩ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ just I don't like Kiki Sige asapotsingse aina hayeng yumda halani haba numitoda aina order tawraga chaibako awda yam haw leram hai tare adugi aise amuka ka hani yumdagi chaninga lakpado aduda hek ngasigi hek breakfast oina hek order tawraga chage tawbani yam hawjan sigi dumpling je sisina aina mamang da chabaduna kaino chicken gi nebako adu sigisina vegetable gi nebako vegetable oi taraga su icham ga samam dong wan du tar su ne samde am hawe manungda khangin na ka lawe maningda chikiga snowy ga ale Snowy ju tu sau khatla lairame lumlumga law lairame bako aduga kiki sisu kai hani numit kun mu uru da baduda kai hani he uba kan da yam chaw tar toram no hambra adai tawe adu chaw khatlira chaw khatre khangde gi wakhal da sum chaw khat pe tar da taw bodo thaina ga tawe singa pam ya da ne ado ngarang su ai do he halakwa ware video camera number ngamdre ba pot chai myam do lotion bo khot pa tawraga adai dum chak cha thoga dum ai dum tungre ba kwa hadi wa su wai ba hadi connecting flight oi bani na amu kolkata da mu check in adu ani rak thokna tawre ba ware ba matam do sang sang edana ko adu dum tungre ado side video se side lotion lage su kha ta na cha haurage
This one is better. A little. Yeah, I can.
My friend Kaniska is here.
Best friend.
My lovely friend is here. Masi nga sa ayuk su lam bazale ba. Ayuk na tehnugin da. Mana ay se kausap ay di to mawar ba tabi drama to mo lain.
I miss her a lot. She's my cute friend. I talk about you, now you talk about me.
I miss you too. That's why I come back. How is your school these days? How is your class going?
Bad luck with my enemy.
So you have lots of enemy? One or two? Or more than 3?
2 enemies.
2 enemies. All girls.
Yeah. When someone just say, "Can I be best friend with you?" I just said yes. Then after 2-3 days, enemy.
Khatam. Tata.
Khatam, tata, bye bye. Yes.
And
Now-
how is your exam? Exam already started or
Tomorrow is my last exam. Last
Okay.
exam plus
which
last
subject?
party.
Which subject?
Special Telugu and IC.
Telugu?
Telugu.
You learn Telugu also?
No. I'm Hindi actually. I'm not a Telugu student. I learn Hindi like
So how many languages
Special Telugu.
do you speak? Like Hindi? You
I speak 7
Hindi?
languages.
Tell my viewers.
Viewers.
What are the languages you speak?
English, Hindi, Nepali, Korean, Japanese,
Korean?
Spanish.
Seriously, Korean? Then how
Yeah,
do you say?
let me say.
How do you say "I love you" in Korean? I know it's very easy, but just say
Saranghe.
"saranghe, sarangheyo." And how you say brother in Korean? Oppa. Then I miss you.
Sorry.
Sorry, you say you speak.
A little bit, not a lot.
Then how do you say I'm hungry in Korean? Then how do you say let's go?
Kacha.
Kaja. What about Japanese?
Arigato.
Only arigato? Arigato, I know arigato, me too.
Okay, tell me what is it?
Arigato means hello.
No.
Then what?
You said you know. Arigato means thank you.
Oh.
Konnichiwa means thanks. Sorry.
Oh.
Konnichiwa means hello.
Okay, I know Thai language also.
Speak once.
Swadika.
Huh?
Okay, let's say bye.
Bye.
Let's end the video here. Bye.
Goodbye.
Please like and subscribe and share.
Yeah,
Bye.
Bye.
Hꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯦꯔꯦꯁꯇ ꯏꯕꯥꯅꯤꯗꯣ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯪꯆꯤꯠ ꯂꯥꯡꯆꯤꯠꯅ ꯀꯥꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯁꯕꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯣ and share. Bye.
Oh my god. Kind of. Look what